Hello, trading has closed on June the 10th. Today is June 11th, 2016. My last call looked for lower prices and the major top. We had a big drop, so it's worked so far. We had some failed targets from the past which printed. We had 2106.19. We capped through that. We had 2095.67 that printed, and as is typical, prices gravitated towards the target. We have not had any consolidation around 2106.19. None is required, but if we get the rally Monday, I'm expecting that would be a reasonable price to look for resistance. During the day and the afternoon, MEJT gave a buy and an ultimate one as well. Of course, that just means higher prices should print. It doesn't preclude lower prices first. When the price target is this close, there really is no trade, but when it drops this much, the risk-reward situation improves. We have a target of 2099.93, most likely to print on Monday, and a target of 2100.08 with no time limit, but normally you don't have to wait long. We have the standard formation of a gap down, lower lows, and an inability to close under the middle of the day low. Only two types of people I think are going to be going long in an environment like this one, especially over a weekend with no liquidity. One type is people who are covering shorts. If this purchase spurt here was due to covering shorts, all these buyers will disappear Monday and we should promptly drop through this low. If on the other hand these are professionals, they should take the prices higher. They don't buy stocks just for a little move like this. So either we take out this low promptly or we go higher and hit the targets. I think that's the more likely scenario, that we hit these prices. And even though we're not required to go to 2106.19, if we do, I look for resistance. But that's just Monday. As far as the long-term pattern is concerned, I've made this A and this B here larger from the chart I showed Thursday. I still think we have an ABC in the completion of this rally. Of course, this doesn't have to be the end of gray B. It could be A of an ABC, which constitutes gray B. Doesn't really make much of a difference. The important thing is to notice that ever since we topped out, we've been declining in 5s and rallying in 3s, and that's the hallmark of a market that's going lower. And I think as long as wave C down in gray, or wave B of B in gray, is of the same size as these other waves in the pattern, as is typical, we should be going down into the 1800s and taking a few months to get there. As far as Monday's concerned, I look for slightly higher prices, and that's my target to look for resistance to go short, and that's today's call.